Bram zipped his backpack one breezy day, but it sneezed and launched his lunch away. "Bless you?" he said with a puzzled face. The bag replied, "Crumbs got in my space." At first it sneezed out pencils and glue, then his sneakers, a banana, and 2 left shoes. In math class it sneezed a loud ka-chow. It even blew off the teacher's brow. Bram had to find out what was wrong, so he cleaned it out with a feather and tongs. No more snacks or sticky gum, just notebooks neat and homework done. The sneezes stopped. The backpack smiled, and Bram walked on, fresh and styled. That's the end of this sneezy scene, where backpacks just want to stay fresh and clean. Tidy your stuff, see what's new, and learn and laugh with the little mini crew.